One of the significant reasons for people to consider the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is whether it's the best or worst option for them. If you're hesitant about getting the new one, I'll share some insights about the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. The primary concern for many is its battery. While the battery is smaller and might not compete with the Watch 5 Pro, it's important to note that if you charge your watch daily, the Watch 6 Classic could be a great fit. It can last a full day even with all features in use, including the always-on display. In some scenarios, it could even extend to 1.5 days, but this largely depends on your usage habits. There's a possibility it might last 2 days for some users, though Samsung claims around 40 hours without the always-on display and 30 hours with it. However, keep in mind that frequent use of features like phone calls and music streaming can quickly drain the battery. Here's a suggestion for those seeking a watch that lasts 2 to 3 days on a single charge. Consider the Watch 5 Pro. However, if you don't require that level of battery life, the Watch 6 Classic does offer some enticing features. This is a primary reason why many subscribers opt for the Watch 6 Classic, the rotating bezel. The rotating bezel provides a truly Galaxy Watch-like experience, and the tactile feedback of the bezel's rotation is a unique characteristic. Its utility becomes evident during usage. While the Watch 5 Pro offers on-display gestures, the rotating bezel remains the preferred solution for many. If rotating bezels aren't your preference, the new display on the Watch 6 Classic might pique your interest. It boasts increased brightness compared to the Watch 5 Pro, making it the brightest display Samsung has produced so far, reaching 2,000 nits. This makes it an excellent choice for outdoor use, especially for adventure seekers. Samsung also incorporated durable sapphire crystal glass on the front, enhancing durability. In terms of design, while many tend to lean towards the 47mm size, Samsung introduced something new in build quality. The use of stainless steel has its pros and cons. On one hand, it provides durability and a premium feel, but it also contributes to added weight. The difference in weight is evident when comparing the Watch 5 Pro and the Watch 6 Classic. The latter is noticeably heavier, weighing 59 grams compared to the Watch 5 Pro's 46.5 grams. Nonetheless, the stainless steel build resists minor scratches over time. Despite the weight, the Watch 6 Classic maintains a premium look and feel. Additionally, the addition of a one-click band removal feature adds convenience for those who frequently switch bands. It's worth noting that this feature works with older bands as well. Moving on to software, the animations are improved over the previous generation. The Watch 6 Classic also offers a couple of new features. Firstly, there's the irregular heart rate notification, and secondly, the on-device sleep coach for more insightful sleep analysis. For further details and Android users, the Samsung Health app is available. Those using other Android phones can utilize an APK of the Samsung Health app. Unfortunately, there's no support for Apple users. Additionally, Samsung has expanded app support, including native apps like Gmail and WhatsApp. Pricing-wise, it's a good deal. At $430 for the 47mm version, it's $20 less than the Watch 5 Pro, which is priced at $450. Considering all the new features, it's certainly a worthwhile purchase. However, if you're still uncertain between the Watch 6 Classic and the Watch 5 Pro, I recommend watch my comparison video. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.